Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday. My name is Derek, and today we're going to be going over some of the things that you might have missed out on last week, along with some of the changes and new products on MobileSentrix. So let's get into the video. On Tuesday, I covered a bunch of short clips of different types of repairs, most of them fairly tricky repairs. My goal is to always find content that helps you expand your knowledge of the types of repairs that are out there so that you can also do them and earn a little bit more. On Wednesday, I covered how to remove and replace the PMIC on an iPhone. These are intricate repairs and require quite a bit of precision and the right tooling. So if you haven't seen that video, check it out. On Thursday, I covered the entire process of how to replace the back glass on an iPhone 15. If this is something that you've strayed away from doing, I'd highly recommend checking it out. On Friday, I went over my attempt at replacing the glass only on an Apple Watch Series 10, which has a completely different design display than a 9 or previous models. Looking for some feedback on that one in particular, so head on over and watch that video when you're done with this one. A couple of the new great tools available are the iFixit Mandible Pliers, a three-piece plier set, as well as the Mandible Needle Nose Pliers, flush cutters, wire strippers, etc. These are definitely tools that come in handy throughout all sorts of different types of repairs. And some more exciting news, the Genuine Apple Parts program now includes iPad parts. So now you can access those original parts such as the displays, batteries, cameras, power flex, etc. So if you aren't yet a member of the GAPP program, I highly recommend you check it out. That way you have another option when it comes to repair for your customer. Something that you might have noticed as well was the FedEx was down for a while. We're pleased to announce that all FedEx shipping options have been restored. However, UPS services are temporarily down. And last but not least, unbeatable prices on over 1,800 pre-owned iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, ranging from 32 gigabytes all the way up to 256 gigabytes. As you can see here, prices for grade B, C, and D, along with the 7 Plus, 32 gigs all the way to the 256, grade B, C, and D. If you have any questions about some of the newer products on the site, comment down below which one you'd like to see demoed in a video. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.